So I figured I would do videos as well because they're a little more easier to see. So I ripped out all the walls and closet doors and all that in the bathroom. I'm waiting on the help for the pipes for the sink. So I haven't torn any of that out yet. But I am considering not having a stove and just having a toaster oven with a griddle or something like that. So I've torn out the bunk that was in here, and I believe we're going to try to move the kitchen to the front. I think it will give me more counter space and more room, and it'll just make more living area in the middle here. We're gonna try to do like a Murphy bed of some sort, or 2 Murphy beds, something. Anyhow, that's it. Thanks for watching.